I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Forever Char. I know it has been a minute, but I decided to come back to you guys with another video on how I do my nails. Now, once we get into this video, I'm sure you guys know how to do dip powder if you're into nails, if you do your own nails. I just decided to start doing my own nails because every time I go to the nail shop, I'm paying like $180 and up. That's kind of a bit expensive, so I decided to take it upon myself to do my own nails. But as you see in this clip, I'm going to add a dehydrator to my nails. I already prepped my nails before this video. I know y'all are going to be like, well, Char, your cuticles kind of look a mess. Again, I am not a professional. This is what I do at home. I didn't want to do my cuticles at the moment. I had somewhere to go. So this is what I'm going to do in my video. But in the future, if you're going to do your nails, don't be like me. Make sure your cuticles are clipped if that's what you prefer. But either way, you can do whatever pleases you. And I'm going to add a primer. So this is kind of not my favorite primer. This primer or any primers basically helps your nails last longer, and to avoid any lifting, make sure you clip your cuticles as I previously said. But my favorite primer is Mia's Secret. I really enjoy that. And I'm also going to do the base and a dip powder. But first, before I do that, I'm going to use the transparent one. This is just something that I do. You don't have to do this step, but I just do that underneath the color. We are adding the base here, and I'm going to dip my nail. And this is going to be done, so this is very repetitive, so I don't really have to say anything. You do the base and then you do the dip. Now, if you're anything like me, cheap, if doing your nails is something that you prefer to do to save money, I'm gonna tell you to go ahead and do it, girl. Give it to the girls. I'm telling you to give it to us. Show us how you do your own nails. I'm telling you, it is so easy. It took me a long time to learn this, and I'm also learning how to make my nails last longer than a week and a half. So I will definitely let you guys know once I figure that out. And previously in this video, I definitely dusted my nails. I made sure that I got any excess powder off, so that so the powder won't be clumpy. Now I'm gonna go in with my pink. Now this color is so cute to me. Like, this is a really pretty color. My favorite color is pink, and a little bit of green and maybe a little bit of blue. So yeah, right here, you girl is doing the same step as I did with the transparent color. I'm just gonna do the base coat, and then I'm gonna dip my nails in the powder. If you're wondering why I already have a gold nail on, so the day before I had already started on my nails, but I was extra tired, so I kind of stopped, and I only did that one nail. So yeah, that's basically what happened there. Make sure you guys are subscribed, hit that like button, and kind of comment below, or not kind of, but please comment below in the comment section to let me know what you guys think. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want from me. I am trying to practice consistency for 2023. So I'm asking my subscribers to let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I know a lot of you guys want to see like get ready with me videos, because some of you guys like the way that I do my makeup. And again, just let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see. If you have like any excess powder that's on the outside of your nails, make sure you use any tool that you have, a small tool, to get any of that stuff off your skin. You do not want this dip powder to dry on your skin, because it is pretty hard to get off. You will have to do a lot of fouling and a lot of drilling. Alright, this is what my nails looks like when I'm done dipping the color. Alright, so now I'm going to add the transparent color on top. So what this does for me when I'm about to file and buff my nails, it helps to not remove the color or the dip powder color that I have underneath. So I use this as kind of like my top coat to protect the color. If that's something that you do, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, this is something that I do to protect the color of my nails. Alright, here is the activator I'm going to apply. So the activator basically hardens the dip powder and it helps with fouling. So once it hardens, you will be able to file and buff the nail of your liking, or the way that you like to file and buff your nails. And I'm going to apply this to all of my nails. Alright, so I did my right hand off camera to avoid any conflicts or to avoid any spillage, because when it comes to my right hand, your girl is clumsy. I am very clumsy trying to do my nails with my left hand or do my right hand with my left hand. It's just all too much. It's giving too much. And there you have it. These are my nails after I have put the activator on. Alright, if you don't hear this sound, they're not ready. They're not ready. Alright, now I'm going to file my nails and speed it up how I would like for my nails to look and the shape that I would want my nails to be. So just stay tuned as I'm going to fast forward and I'm going to stop talking. Alright, this is my nails once I'm done filing. I actually kind of messed up one of my nails and I had to redo it. But right here, I'm going to add me a top coat, a gel coat. This is easier for me to do. You can just pop it right under the gel light if you have that. If you don't have a gel light, I have a mini gel light that was like $10 that I got from eBay. I mean, you can do the big ones or you can do the small ones. I actually have both, but I'm going to add a little gel on top of my nails and I'm going to put it under my gel light. And this will be applied to all of my nails. I mean, learning how to do these dip powder nails did not come overnight. It took me a minute to learn how to perfect the shape just a little bit. I'm not perfect. My nails are not perfect, but I think that they're cute. I think that I'm doing pretty good for me to not be a licensed anything. I'm not a nail license. I don't have a license. I don't have anything, but I think I do decent. Right here, I'm going to file my nails again because once you add that gel powder, it kind of removes the shape just a little bit. So you can just go back over them and refile them to your liking. All right, let's go ahead and dust that excess powder off, and yeah, let's see what they look like when we're done. Yes, I think they look cute, but it's not complete without that cuticle oil, because my hands were super dry right there, like super duper dry. But we're gonna add that cuticle oil, and also I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna put everything in the description box on what I used. This is my favorite cuticle oil. It smells so good. It has you smelling good. It keeps those hands or those nails from being looking dry when you're going out. You just never know who's looking at your nails, girls. You just never know. Make sure you rub that cuticle oil in really good. This definitely helps with dryness of your cuticles, and it also helps your nails look so fresh and so clean. I'm telling you, ladies, you have to get cuticle oil. I'm not telling you to order any of this stuff if you don't want to, but this is just what I do with my nails. And right here is the finished look. All right, that concludes this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Peace.